it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. And today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute, super fast balloon bunny. I figured this one out basically on my own, but Shauna, Simply Shauna, has made using these bear heads really popular, and I think was probably one of the first people that I saw flipping it upside down to use the ears as legs, which is an amazing idea. So we're taking these big mouse head balloons, and what we're gonna do now, these are a little bit tricky to inflate, and that's why I don't already have it pre-inflated. So what you wanna do is you kinda wanna start inflating it, and you see it's gonna go into the second little thingy there. Okay, now here's where the tough part is. The ears don't inflate very easily. So you wanna stop when you're right about here and kinda gently tug at the ears to stretch them, and then kinda push the air into the ears. Go in. Like that. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, that part, and that's where it's most likely to pop, is when you're doing that. And then continue inflating. And then kind of push the air. All right, so this is what we want. We could let a little bit of air out. We don't necessarily need his head that big, because remember, we're gonna be using it this way instead of this way. But if you wanted to use it as a little mouse or bear, you could use it this way, and it's super cute. Okay, so we're going to tie this off and kind of squeeze some of the air down a little bit. Okay, and then we're just gonna put that to the side. Stay, good boy. All right, now we're going to take a same color 260. So whatever color that is, you want this to be the same color. And now we're going to make his arms. So to do that, we're gonna make a little bubble, and then two little bubbles, like a little dog leg, just like that. Of course, push it through, as always. And give a little bend to the arm so that he's not like sticking straight out like this, because that just looks weird. Okay, and then we're going to put a pinch twist and a second pinch twist. Okay, so the pinch twists make it a little bit more of an advanced design, because pinch twists can be challenging sometimes until you get used to them. Okay, and then we're going to just mirror what we did. So we're gonna come back down, hold it, make our little dog legs, just like so. Twist off our bubble. And whoop, stay, good boy. And get rid of the rest. We'll trim off the ends later. And then of course, just to make sure that it's all locked, because that way you won't have to replace his arms every 2 seconds because it came unrolled on the kid. Okay, so here's what we have. Okay, so now, again, we want to kind of push the air down a little bit. We don't necessarily want our head that big. And then we're going to like this, okay? So then we're going to just twist off that piece like that. And then wrap your arms around it. Now, we are almost done with our super fast, super cute little bunny. So leaving it like this, we have like kind of a cute little guy, a cute little person. I could see using the same technique to be able to make a popular snowman. But today we're making a bunny. Okay, so now we're going to take a fully inflated 260. It's been fully inflated with a good burp in it. We're just gonna give it a little stretch, and we're making the ears, in case you didn't figure that out. Okay, so we're going to take it, push the air down so that we can tie it into a circle. Oh, hey, come back here. Let's try that again, shall we? All right, tie it into a circle, and then we're going to stretch it to find the center, squeeze and twist one side. We got our lips, la 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 la, okay? Then we're going to collapse that so that we have like 2 handcuffs. Put your hand in one and just twist like that. And then take that nozzle and wrap it around and through. That just kind of locks it all down. Okay, and now we're gonna take the nozzle here and we're just gonna wrap it also around and through. So I wrap it around this way and then through that way. Okay? And you could just leave it like this, but I think it's cuter if the ears are a little bit pointier. They have a little more personality. So gently just kind of gather them up and squeeze them and twist. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you could like turn one like that and one like that. something like that. Okay, now for the artwork. This is the part that I like the least. All right, so for the artwork, I'm just gonna give him my simple little eyes, because I only know how to do one eye. It's a girl bunny, so she gets eyelashes. Okay, and then I'm just gonna make a little circle for the nose, kind of coming down into like a little smile. And then I'm gonna draw some little teeth in there and some whiskers. Super simple artwork because I don't have any talent with a pen. If you have more talent than me with a pen, and I bet you do, then by all means do the artwork however you like to do it. But there we are, we're done. It doesn't have a tail, but the kids don't care. This is a hugely popular, super fun, very quick little bunny. So there you go. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that red button right now, subscribe. Make sure that you leave me a comment and tell me what else you want to learn. This was a request from you guys, so here you go. I hope you like it, and until next time, go forth and balloonify! And there's Sky.